Hi folks, how you doing today? Dr. Cohen here. So this is that spreadsheet problem from your homework. Anyway, I just want to take a minute. I had a couple questions about it. Um, want to make another video about how it works and what they're trying to do. So let's take a look at the instructions. So you have this sheet with information. It says download it to your laptop. And it says assume the information is good. So what they're talking about here is this information right in here. So they said assume it came from reliable sources. Okay. Now what they're looking for you to do is they're doing two different approaches here. They're doing the net worth approach, and they're doing a lifestyle approach, and so what we're doing is we're looking to compare the two. Okay. And then what happens over here is you're getting totals from all of these, and the totals are here as well. So anyway, basically what you need to do, okay, so if you take a look here, it says boat. Well, the boat's an asset, and all we know is about the boat. We don't know anything about, now we got a boat loan, that's here, liability. Boat loan payments, so we know that that's a use of money because they made payments. So that goes over here with lifestyle. So this one is just about listing the assets and liabilities. And lifestyle, this is about money that you've seen go for something. Like here, down payment for boat, right? The amount's $12,000. Well, we know they made a down payment. So that goes under lifestyle because this is use of money, sources and applications. And this is net worth, assets versus liabilities. And then in the final column, this is the income that we know about. Okay, dividends, interest, and then W-2. Okay, so the idea is first you put all of those in. Okay, and you can go ahead, like take a look at this. Look, it's a homework assignment. The idea is to understand what they're doing here. So let's take a look at the first. So here we have assets worth, when it's all totaled up, $660,000. We have liabilities worth $235,000. The net worth, that's this line right here, right? Net worth is $425,000, okay? Now we go over here, lifestyle, right? We go down to lifestyle and we could see here we have $500,000 in deposit to a bank account. Here we got $500,000 going to a bank account. And then here is all of the money, the application of this money. And that's $426,000. Okay. Now we come over here, we go sources of income is 75. And what we're going to do is we're going to use these numbers. So we're going to use these numbers, not 75, excuse me, 81. Okay. So we're going to use these numbers. Now over here, estimated net cash income. What is that? That's $500,000 that they show as cash income, a deposit in a bank, versus 74 that they spent. So we're comparing these two numbers. Now the next one here, it says estimated income from unknown sources. This is 344. How did they get that? Okay, how they get that, if you click on the box, it says C38 minus G36. So C38, right here, here's 38. This is C38. And G36, go over here to 36. And which one is G? Right here, 81. So that's how they got the 344. So this is saying estimated income from unknown sources. And then over here on the other method, this is on the net worth method, and this is on the lifestyle method. And now what they're doing here is they're taking the 426 minus the the 81 to give you 345. So that's the spreadsheet. Now, all they're doing here is they're asking for the written explanation. What I just showed you, this is only the written explanation for these. Okay, that's all it is. And then here, it says assume the suspect declared bankruptcy and that the bankruptcy judge closed the case on December 31st of the prior year, confirming the suspect had no assets and forgave all their liabilities. What is the estimated amount of income from unknown sources? That would be 344. So what they're saying here is if they filed bankruptcy, right, estimated income, if a bankruptcy judge this, that'd be 344. And then they want you to know, they're asking which one of these methods work or which one seems to appear better. Well, if you look up here if you look up here, these numbers are super close. As a matter of fact, they're almost never that close in real life. Okay? So, in this case, all it is, it's a matter of judgment. I rate both confirmed, right? Why are they both confirmed? Because they're super close. And because they're so close, and we have what we believe to be reliable data, then we think both seem, in other words, that these both seem right. And finally, here it's obvious from his known income sources he could not afford the life he was living. Okay? So this is basically where, you have somebody's life, you're looking at their assets, you're looking at the lifestyle, and then you're looking at their income. So, somebody driving around, husband and wife, Mercedes, they're making car payments on it, they live in a big house, they got a $3,000 a month mortgage payment, right? They live in a big house, and between the two of them, they make $80,000 a year. Okay, that's kind of what they're doing here. Anyway, for the main thing here, make sure, take a moment here so you can see the solution here, which is fine. This is homework. This is just, it's practice. But make sure that you understand why. So like here, home, this is an asset. Home equity loan, liability. Home equity loan payments, that means we spent money, that's lifestyle application. So I'm going to go in. I know some of you submitted already. If in the event, I'm going to go in and make it so you could submit twice. If you got it wrong, go in and fix it. Just make sure you follow what's going on, okay? All right, folks, that's it. Got any questions, concerns? Please feel free to be in touch. Talk to you soon.